What's that?
Pig, pig,
Huh?
pig.
Then the water, nampak the water move, the cooking. The food move. Wow, nampak. Ikan kecil. Ya, ikan dia. Spider monkey.
It's fun.
Spider monkey. Where? There.
There.
Wow.
Oh.
Greetings, explorers. Welcome to the Amazon River Quest. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride.
What kind of leading right?
Spider monkeys. They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch. High up in the trees on your right is the white-faced Saki monkey. Because of their ability to leap large distances, they are known as the flying monkeys.
Mommy.
Yes.
We're going inside. Wow.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant anteater. Look out for the sharp claws.
There. See? There. There. Behind, you see? So?
Dia makan
Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed coatimundis. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees.
Oh, pesawat dong. Buka pesawat. Oh, buka. Oh, buka. Sini. Mampir baik.
You see two large brown animals?
It's so
These are
fun.
Brazilian turkeys.
Yeah.
Turkeys are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilograms. However, still have enemies. When chased by cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge. The Amazon is also home to smaller creatures. Hiding among leaves on the right are cotton-topped tamarins. These small monkeys talk to each other in chirps and whistles.
We're going inside again.
Eating the jaguar, right? Jaguar.
Lisa, they're going
Yeah, watch out, jaguar.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator of the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Chow, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Chow loves to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is the top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its prey's skull with its teeth.
Tapi warna-warna agaknya ada warna-warna ada. Sedap tu. Oh, so dia rasa.
There.
Warna tu macam sleeping.
So?
Yeah, I saw leopard. Leopard.
Jaguar. See. There.
Yeah,
That's sleeping. That's
Again, bumpy back.
Undang dia. Undang dia.
These are the black.
Yeah. Mommy.
Yeah.
Just like the dog howling, they howl loudly when they sense approaching danger.
the left.
Wow!
If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Caribbean flamingo. The flamingo's curved beak acts as a sieve, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. Its opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the rules of monster flavor.
This is so fun.
Yeah.
You know what?